Did you know many people are having trouble with operating their AC without a remote? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find control panel. Locate the control panel on top of the air conditioner. Step 2. Power on. Plug the unit into a power outlet and press the power button to turn it on. Step 3. Select mode. Select your desired mode by pressing the mode button until the right indicator lights up. Step 4. Set fan speed. Adjust the fan speed using the fan speed button to your preferred setting. Step 5. Adjust temperature. Set the temperature by pressing the temperature increase or decrease buttons. Now you can easily use your AC even without the remote control. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Friedrich users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.